Welcome to Yoga for Sciatica. Thank you for meeting me on the mat today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. We're going to begin in Child's Pose today. Arms out in front. You're resting on your feet. Go ahead and take about 5 breaths. We're going to move into tabletop, and from tabletop we're going to go into cat and cow. So cat, you're going to arch your back and breathe out. Cow, you're going to lift up your chest and head and breathe in. Cat, breathe out. Cow, breathe in. And continue that for the next 4 or 5 breaths. Tucking your toes under and moving into your first down dog. Go ahead and walk the dog, relaxing and releasing those leg muscles. Coming down into Sphinx pose. Pull your core up. Your knees are active. Take your right leg to the side, making sure your right foot is active. You're going to really feel it in the hip area. Take a couple of breaths. Release the right leg and take your left leg out to the side, making sure your left foot is active. Releasing the pose. You can either come into down dog from here, or you can go into tabletop and then push up to down dog. Walk the dog. You're going to walk to forward fold, bending your legs. Take a couple of breaths. Sit down onto the mat into butterfly. So the soles of your feet are touching. Your knees are out. You're going to twist to the right side, taking a couple of breaths. Coming back to the center and twisting to the left. Releasing into center. Coming down onto the back, we're going to do a reverse pigeon. So you're going to take your right ankle onto right above the left knee. You can grab your shin with your hands, or you can grab the back of your hamstring to pull up. Hold for a couple of breaths. Bringing it back down and moving to the other side. Left ankle is right above the right knee, pulling your legs up. You can grab the back of your hamstring with your hands, or you can grab your shin, whatever is comfortable. Releasing the pose, planting your feet back down onto the floor. Go ahead and do some windshield wipers back and forth to release the lower back. Going into a reclined twist, you're going to take your legs to the right. Your arms are in a T. Holding here for a couple of breaths. Releasing to the middle, taking your legs to the left, arms out to a T, you are looking to the right. Releasing out of your twist, feet planted on the floor, heels real close to your bottom. You're going to come into a bridge pose. Hands planted on the floor, push up on your shoulders, holding for a couple of breaths. Remember to breathe. And then releasing to the floor. Go ahead and do some windshield wipers back and forth to release the lower back. Doing a second bridge, so pushing up, holding. Inhale, exhale. And releasing back down, one vertebrae at a time. Go ahead and pull your legs up to happy baby. You're going to take your feet with your hands from the inside of your legs. And you can rock back and forth, or you can just hold still, remembering to breathe. When you're ready, come down to the final pose, Savasana. Breathing naturally, palms facing up. Coming back to your day, thank yourself for being here today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and leave feedback in the comments. Namaste.